everybody, welcome to my channel. I have some fun friend mail here from Kim's Inspired Life, Kim. And I don't even know what it is. She messaged me a few days ago to say something was on the way. And I said, did I win something? Because I thought maybe I don't know, maybe I won something. But she's like, no, it's just happy mail. How sweet. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to get into this. Oh, how cute. Okay, let me make sure there's... Okay. Wow, so cute. Okay, she sent me this. These are those chunky tickets, I think. Let me open this up. Put this on the side. What is this? Oh, it's a book? Oh my gosh. It's a little book. Oh, and look. Oh, I love this. She's got the little ticket on there as like a little pull. Oh, how cute. And the ladies in the swimsuits. And then she has this little cut apart. We are our choices. Oh, I like that. And that's so true. These are stickers, you guys. Happiness can be found even the darkest of times if only one remembers to turn to the light. Albus Dumbledore. I think that might be Harry Potter. And this one says, oh, Elizabeth Elliot. Sometimes fear does not subside and you must do it afraid. I love Elizabeth Elliot, although I don't know much of her, but I know there are several quotes and books and stuff about her. Erin Van Vuren. Let down your walls for the one who looks at you as if you are the last remaining star. Let down your walls for the one who looks at you as if you are the last remaining star. Oh, okay, I get that. I read it wrong at first. Okay, and then in here is Beach Time, little cut apart. Oh my gosh, how cute. So I'm going to open the folder. I'm going to gush and goo over this. She's got a little, not sea anemone. What is this called? Jellyfish. And right here it said good vibes. This is so cute. I don't know how people do cutie little things like this. Oh, she's got a little Mickey embellishment right there. Oh, happy day. Wait. Is that also a pocket? Yes. And this is a pocket. And in here she has some little pieces of paper. This one is laminated. And it has a slit through the top. Oh, how cute. Little bunnies. Little Easter basket and bunny cupcakes. Kim, you're so clever. What you plant today, you will harvest tomorrow. Oh my gosh. This is so, so cute. In here was this. This is Oh Happy Day. Oh, look at how cute. And hello, Deanna. Sending along a little something to say hello, aloha. Rolly and I will be on Oahu, blankety blank. If you're available and interested in meeting up, DM me on Instagram. Yes, of course. So she did tell me she was going to be in Oahu like last year, she told me. But I told her that I wouldn't be here because I was going to be at my daughter's wedding. But I ended up making reservations to go the week of my daughter's wedding. So definitely get together with her. Say hello to Summer. So cute. You know, you are so thoughtful. Oh my gosh. I can't. This is, oh, sorry, spring. And guys, this is just a cut apart, but, or a cutout. But I think either she sewed down the middle, maybe it came like that. But what a clever idea. She just sewed some sparkly thread right down the middle. And this one says today. And this one's a little girl on a blanket. A little Easter bunny. Oh, such good 2 little envelopes. This is so good. This is really So there's so much variety in here, but then again, everything matches. Okay, oh yeah, this came in here. Oh, and here's this one right here says Flourish, and there's a zigzag stitch right down the middle. So clever. Man, I'm gonna copy this. And so I'm gonna say, like, this looks like anybody can do it, you know? But again, I never came up with this. This is so cute. Thank you so much. And then the next thing I got, like, that's just the first thing that I got. The next thing that I got are some pocket tags. Okay, let me open this up. This is so nice. What a nice pick-me-up. Honestly, this is so, so sweet. And look at all of these tabs that she made me in all of these different colors. So, Kim, I have a tab punch, but the bad part about my tab punch is it doesn't give you both sides. You see how, guys, you see how she's got both sides of the tab, and then you can just fold it right over your page. Mine just has, it's just one-sided. And so you have to just put one side on the page. So I like this one better. This is so nice. She gave me so many different varieties. There's this thick stack here. And then some life cards. Keep moving. Making memories. Special day and PS. Oh, miss you heaps. Today was just us. This is so nice. And then this here are pocket tabs. So, okay. They're pocket, they're literally a tag, but it has a pocket. That's so cute. And there's 6 of them in there. And then she gave me my favorites. I love stickers. And these are kind of puffy stickers, and these are snails. And they are the most adorable snails. Oh, this is cute. Friends, smile, best friends, BFF. And oh, look at this one. This is so cute. It's got a little dog, a little paw. So cute. And then it also came with a little book, Thankful, Grateful, Blessed. And a, what do you call that? A bookmark. That is a magnetized one. And it says, trust in the Lord. You guys see that? How sweet. I would say, hey, everybody, go over to Kim's page and subscribe to her page. But I think probably everyone that is watching me knows her. But if you don't, go over to Kim's page, Kim's Inspired Life. I'll leave her details in my description box, and go show her some crafty love or any other kind of love you got. Good love, not bad love. And I'll hope to see you guys in another video. Oh, look at that. That is cute. Little moped. Hope to see you guys in another video. Take care, everybody. Bye.